Fresco VK here, live at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. I got a special unboxing look for you guys today at the Union Los Angeles Air Jordan 1. So you guys are all familiar with how the Air Jordan 1s have been killing over the last God only knows how many years. But we've got that special collab to unbox today right here at Stadium. So say less, let's get straight to these shoes. So let's start off with this box top. Pretty interesting in the sense it's like almost collaborative. So we're not used to seeing the Jordan 1 boxes come like this with the variety of different Air Jordan ads, but these boxes have come with a variety of different Air Jordan 1 styles throughout the last 2 years. But we see the ads, we have the Wing It, and a bunch of things that just pay homage to MJ. But outside of that, if we see the underlay, it's the classic Air Jordan 1 box logo here. So we have the classic Air Jordan 1 box logo, and then we have this on top, but let's get straight into the shoes. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. First, we're gonna start with this packaging. It pretty much breaks down the design process of the Union LA Air Jordan 1. So we've got the Air Jordan and Union, different design palettes here. Kind of takes you through the process of how this was laid out. But let's get into these shoes. This packaging is really dope though. And let me know what you guys think. But here we have the black colorway in the Union LA Air Jordan 1. Variety of different hits here that kind of tie this shoe together. So we have the perforation in the toe area, of course, and we have the black overlay. But just within the black overlay, you'll see like yellow hits throughout the entire shoe, right there in that toe area and just above. As we switch to this outer panel, you'll see the black overlay here, once again, just around the lace area. Black swoosh, also with the yellow gold kind of color outline. We have the pull tab here, which features the Union LA logo. Also stitch detailing right here, which is really, really dope. We have the classic Air Jordan 1 wings logo. Midsole is like a sail colorway, like fully sail in the midsole area. Back panel features the red leather hit here. Let's get to the tongue area. Tongue, kind of exposed tongue, similar to the Off-White Air Jordan 1, if you guys have been following the Off-Whites, which I know you have, and thank you for liking and sharing all of our videos. But we have the Nike Air on the tongue. So these laces are really cool in the sense that I believe that they're dyed. They almost look dyed. So we have the black, or it's like black or navy. Let me know in the comments. They look a little navy to me, but they also look a little black. And as we get to the upper area of the laces, the gradient takes in. So it goes from the black to the lighter Off-White sail colorway. Let's get to the outsole. Classic Air Jordan 1 outsole with the Nike Air right there in the middle. Only difference between right and left. Right features the hang tag. And I'll give you guys one last look at the black colorway in the Union Los Angeles Air Jordan 1. And we're gonna transition into what's most people's favorite, the blue colorway. We have the storm blue colorway in the overlay right there just above the toe area. This blue is actually pretty fire. And then it's the flip in the lace area. So we have the lighter color here and the gradient runs into the black. Black or navy, varies, depends on how you see it. I don't know, it looks a little navy to me. But we have the black and red right there on the tongue area. Of course, the exposed tongue that I just mentioned to you guys before. As we get to the outer panel, oh, so this feels like a suede swoosh. We got the suede swoosh, once again, with the gold undertones, or overlays, I should say. Union LA tag, right under the classic wings logo, but this one pays homage to the black and red, the Bread Air Jordan 1. So, transition to the back tab, we see the blue that runs through here. Once again, the stitch detailing, which is really ill. I like that a lot. Let's get to the outsole. Outsole is full blue, full storm blue, and the midsole, once again, features the sail. Also, another cool detail. These come with an additional set of laces. Both pairs come with an additional set of laces, but this one features the gold, which with this color, I kind of feel that a little bit, but I'll give you one last look at the Air Jordan 1. Storm blue, Union LA. Out of these two, let me know what you guys think in the comments and which ones you prefer. You know I always have to pick one, so I'm definitely leaning towards the storm blue. But the black toe is really dope, so either one, we have both. along with a variety of other Air Jordan 1 styles right here at Stadium Goods. We are located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please make sure you guys pull up. Make sure you download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. If you have any questions or inquiries regarding Stadium Goods, visit stadiumgoods.com. And last but not least, please follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. And I am Fresco VK, and salud.